The next to interpolate is Congressman Abante, and then after Congressman Abante, we will proceed with
Mr.
another
Chairman.
presentation.
Mr. Chairman, can I just make a short
With the
lang?
indulgence of Congressman Abante, sige,
Go ahead.
Congressman Paduano, if it's just very short, we will allow
This is
you.
just a manifestation, Mr. Chairman, and I don't need answers coming from the resource person, especially to General Wilkins. Mr. Chairman, the last statement made, kasi kanina wala ako dito, nung sinalaysay yung nangyari talaga sa Dumoy, yung pagkamatay, when he stated that yung pinakahuli na Chinese national na namatay, sinakal daw yung isang ahente. Eh, sinakal lang pala eh. Ba't pinatay? Di ba? Is it commensurate? Eh, kung sinakal lang, ibig sabihin nun, baka wala siyang baril. Pero, Mr. Chairman, kaya ako, ang daming inconsistencies. Ayaw ko nga, hindi ko nga kita tinatanong, this is just my manifestation. Eh, yung mga statement, in fact, Mr. Chairman, to add my manifestation, ang daming nakakalimutan si General Wilkins, pero yung mga pizza, hindi niya nakakalimutan. At hindi pa ito tapos. Pag dumating yung official document ng PIDEA, doon tayo po magkakaalaman-alaman. Pero once again, Mr. Chairman, nagtataka po ako sa statement na yung pang-anim o yung last na namatay, sinakal pa nga yung isang agent ng PIDEA daw o ng agent nila General Wilkins. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Again, I don't need the reply from General Wilkins.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Salamat. So we will now proceed with the last interpolator on the second presentation by PIDEA. Congressman Abante, you are recognized. You have 10 minutes.
Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of the Honorable Chairman Abante.
Okay, Congressman Akop, with the indulgence of Congressman Abante, please proceed.
Yeah. May I ask General La Peña at saka si Yusek Gumban, hindi po ba pursuant to the law which was already in existence in 2004, tama po ba? Yung Republic Act 9165, hindi ba?
Yes, sir.
Kung ang operations are anti-illegal drugs, ang PDEA ang Office of Primary Responsibility.
That's right, sir.
Yusek Gumban, would you agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
General Villa, General Wilkins, would you agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, in other words, yung lahat po na nangyayari from December 31 to January 5, dapat kayo po ang nakakaalam dahil kayo po ang Office of Primary Responsibility.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pero sa pagsasagot niyo po sa amin, parang hindi niyo po alam yung nangyari. Kasi you stated that you do not even know kung sino yung mga pumunta sa Arlene apartment. For example, if I asked you, what is the distance between the Arlene apartments at saka yung chemical warehouse sa Agdao?
Siguro, Mr. Chair, mga 5 minutes ride. 3 to 5 minutes ride.
Yes. Ni-raid nyo na yung Agdao, yung Arlene apartments. January 1, bumalik kayo sa 5 minutes na lugar from Arlene apartment, ni-raid nyo yung warehouse doon. January 4.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasi wala kaming search warrant doon, Mr. Chair.
Saan?
Sa Agdao warehouse, Mr. Chair, wala kaming warrant eh.
Wala rin kayong warrant sa Arlene eh.
Doon sa Arlene naman, Mr. Chair, kasi sumama naman yung mga tao, Mr. Chair eh.
Hindi yun ang issue eh. Ang issue doon is, did you have a search warrant to that? Are you telling me that you can enter any place? A private place without any warrant of arrest, search warrant?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko alam kung ano yung
O, ikaw
actual na
ang
nangyari.
Office
Yes,
of
Mr.
Primary
Chair.
Responsibility. You are not accepting responsibility dahil hindi nyo ma-explain kung nasaan yung 13 na Chinese. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
All right, thank you so much. Now I will be proceeding to the next interpellator. Congressman Abante, Chairman, you are now recognized.
Thank you.
You have 2 minutes. Atin pala. Sige, go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Akala ko meron ka ring interpellation. Yung pala, ikaw na yung chair eh. Anyway, hihingi sana ako ng oras sa pagkakataong ito to be able to read the certain statement of Las Cañas, no? Sa kanyang affidavit. May I, Mr. Chair?
All right, go ahead, Chairman.
Ito po ang sinabi niya. I called up Sunny at tinatanong ko po kung sino yung Sunny. Ito pala yung Sunny Buenaventura na General Wilkins, driver mo to, no?
Hindi po.
Driver ni?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Driver the former president. I called up Sunny immediately and told him about the money deal Alan C. proposed to me. And Sunny told me to wait for a while because he would inform RRD who is sitting beside him. When RRD was on the phone, he told me not to buy the proposed money deal of Alan C., that he would take care of us regarding the issue of money, and that he had in his disposal huge amount of Intel funds. RRD told me to proceed with the agreed plan to clean up and dispose of the 11 Chinese nationals and that they were menace to our society. So, kinwento po niya rito, no? Kung papaano niya pinatay. Well, Mr. Chair, I'm not against the killing of Chinese drug lords. What I'm against is the way they were killed. Di ba? I mean, hindi naman yung pagpatay. Siguro, kakampihan ko na rin na pinatay itong mga drug lords na ito eh. Pero ang iniisip ko, yung the way kung paano sila pinatay. Ito, sabi dito, sabi dito ni Las Cañas, so sinabi niya, yes sir, and it ended our conversation. SPO4 Ben Laud approached me and whispered to me that everything is ready now. It was past 2 a.m. In the morning. SPO4 Ben Laud and I instructed our force multipliers or the RRA assets. There were more or less 4 of them to bring the 11 Chinese nationals to the mountainous area of Laud Quarry, where an 8-foot deep, more or less 6 feet in length, ready for the 11 Chinese nationals involved in the production of illegal drugs in a drug laboratory in Davao City. Thereat, I shot first Alan C. twice in the head using a 22 caliber pistol with silencer. Then 2 of our force multipliers men dragged the dead body of Alan C. near to the mouth of the grave, tossed the dead body deep down to the common grave. Then followed by the 8 other Chinese nationals. I shot them alone with a pistol, one by one, twice in their heads to the ground. Then I let Jim Tan shoot the other 2 male Chinese nationals, and he did. The 11 Chinese nationals rested in peace in their common grave with bullets in their head, and the rest was history. Ito po ay sinabi sa affidavit ni Mr. Las Cañas. Halimbawa, ikaw, General Wilkins, gagawin niyo ba yung klase ng pagpatay na ginawa ni Las Cañas?
Hindi po.
Yun. Okay. Ibig sabihin, naniniwala din kayo sa due process, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ayan. So, mali yung kanilang way ng pagpatay.
Hindi ko kasi kilala si Las Cañas
Dahil
talaga.
hindi yung pinag-usapan.
So, mali talaga si Las Cañas.
Ayun. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin mo sa akin. Kasi
Mali po si
hindi
Las
ka-
Cañas, no?
Hindi ka sumasang-ayon eh.
Yes.
Kung paano sila pinapamatay. Di mali ang ginawa ni Las Cañas.
Yes, sir.
Oo. Pero ito, personal testimony ni Las Cañas to eh. Na ginawa niya, no? So, ito. Gusto kong tanungin si Mr. Asierto. Andiyan ba si Mr. Asierto? Oo. Andiyan pa. Mr. Asierto?